Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to do a comparison between Apple Pencil and Samsung S Pen. So guys, today I have with me 11-inch iPad Pro and Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. So guys, the very first thing I want to mention here is Samsung S Pen comes with the tablet. It is included in the Samsung tablets. You don't have to buy it separately. On the other side, the Apple Pencil, you have to buy it separately, and the cost of Apple Pencil is $129 or 10,900 rupees. For Apple Pencil, you have to charge it magnetically by attaching it on the top of your iPad. So you just have to attach it like this and you will see a notification. I will show you. So once you attach it, you will see a notification of Apple Pencil attachment with the battery percentage. On the other side, for S Pen, if you want to charge it, you have to attach at the back side. Okay, so you have to put it like this. Okay, then it will attach magnetically and it will also give you a notification. So I attach it, you see this notification come with the charging as well. But there is a big difference between Apple Pencil and S Pen. The difference is, even if your Samsung S Pen is not charged, it will still work. Okay, so it will work perfectly fine. Okay, you can write on it, you can do all of your function with S Pen even if it is not charged. You only need charging if you want to use for air functions. For example, if you want to use your S Pen as a remote, so for example, if you want to take a picture from a distance by pressing this button, then you need charging. On the other side, if your Apple Pencil is out of charge, okay, it will not work. So you always need it charged to work it and to perform different function with Apple Pencil. If we talk about the Apple Pencil tip, it is made of capacitive plastic. So whenever we try to write something on our screen, okay, it make a tapping sound. So you can hear this. Okay, so some people, they find it annoying. Okay, so you can see over here, but if we talk about the accuracy and latency, the latency is 9 millisecond for Apple Pencil. It's really amazing, and you can see if I try to make it fast, the ink is following the nib. Okay, so you can see. On the other side, the Samsung S Pen tip has a very soft rubber-like material. So whenever you touch the screen, it does not make any sound. So if I try to write something, okay, on my tablet, so it is not making any sound and it gives very soft feeling when I touch the screen with the S Pen. So if we talk about the latency of S Pen, it is 2.8 millisecond, which is really amazing. So for example, if I try to write it fast, you see the ink is following the nib. Okay, so you can see over here. So S Pen is more natural if we're talking about the writing experience. Okay, on the other hand, the Apple Pencil, it gives you a feeling like you are writing with a plastic on screen. So guys, if the tip of any of these pencil or S Pen is damaged, you can find it separate and you can easily change them, and they both support pressure sensitivity. So the next thing is Apple Pencil has touch sensor over here. So if I press it 2 times, you can see down here it changed its function. So I press it 2 times, you can see it converted into the Apple Pencil. I can write with the pencil, and if I press it 2 times again over here, you see on this side if I just tap it, it changed its function again to a rubber, and then I can use it as a rubber, and then you can customize its function as well. On the other hand, the Samsung S Pen has a physical button which has lot more functionality as compared to Apple Pencil. So for example, if I try to write something here, and then if I press this pen button one time, okay, so for example, if I press it one time, okay, so I press, and now you see it changed the pen now. So for example, if I write something, you see it changed the color, it changed the pen type as well. And if I press this button two times, okay, so now I press it two times, it converted into the eraser. So now you can see I can erase anything. And the next thing is you can also use this pen button for taking the picture. So you can use this pen button for taking a picture. Okay, so for example, if I press it, you see you can take a picture, you can use it as a remote. The next feature is really important, which is only available in S Pen, and the feature name is Air Actions. So you don't have to touch your tablet, you can just perform the functions in the air by using different gestures. So for example, if I press and hold the S Pen button, okay, it open a new note for me and I can take my notes. Okay, if I want to use the smart select feature, I just press my S Pen button and shake it in the air like this. It opens the smart select feature. I can select any part of the screen and I can edit it, I can download it. And for example, if I want to open the calendar, I just move the S Pen in air like this and it opens the calendar. Okay, and then for example, if I press this button like this and shake it like this in this direction, it open the recent menu in front of me. So these air actions, you can also customize it, okay, and it has a lot of functionality as compared to Apple Pencil. Guys, you can also use the air actions for controlling your slides during PowerPoint presentation. Now I will test the handwriting to text feature with Apple Pencil and S Pen. So with Apple Pencil, if I try to write something, okay, so I will see if it is converted into the handwriting perfectly. So I write the word right, okay, so you can see it converted it into the text perfectly. On the other side, if I use the S Pen, the Samsung S Pen, and I write anything, okay, and then you can see it is also converted into the text perfectly. So guys, Apple Pencil is more like a drawing and sketching pencil, and it is great for artists. On the other side, the S Pen gives you great writing and note taking experience with air actions. So guys, personally I would go for Samsung S Pen because it has lot more functionality as compared to Apple Pencil, and it is also included with the tablet. I don't have to buy it separately. So please let me know which one you like, and please like my video and please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.